Model, 2006 Volkswagen Caddy. Lows miles for the age ready-to-work camper. Body, red, panel van. Mileage, 99,497. MOT, 9 November 2024. Engine, 1,896 cc. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Boost pipe is split, will need replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, this can be used as a camper and a workhorse. First to see this will be definitely buy. Great caddy for multi-use. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.